Growth feels good. More products, more variants, more shelf space, but eventually, more becomes too much. For one global giant, complexity was silently eroding control, and the solution wasn't expansion, it was subtraction. At the center of this transformation is Henkel, maker of global brands across laundry and home care, beauty care, adhesive technologies. Over decades, expansion brought regional variants, retail-specific SKUs, promotional bundles, limited editions. Every new SKU promised incremental revenue. But behind the scenes, the supply chain was fragmenting. Forecasting became noisier. Production planning became slower. Inventory levels crept higher. Complexity had a cost. SKU proliferation multiplies operational friction. Every variant requires separate forecasting, separate packaging, separate material planning, separate storage. Frequent line changeovers reduce efficiency. Small production runs inflate costs, and slow-moving SKUs trap working capital. The supply chain becomes reactive instead of strategic. Henkel faced a decision: continue adding complexity, or redesign the portfolio. Henkel initiated a strategic simplification program, not cosmetic cuts, structural reduction. The objective: identify low-value, high-complexity SKUs. Measure contribution margin, volume velocity, supply chain cost to serve, manufacturing disruption. Impact: products that added noise without meaningful value were eliminated. Fewer SKUs, greater clarity, stronger focus on core winners. SKU rationalization unlocked operational leverage. Fewer changeovers, longer production runs, lower safety stock, improved forecast accuracy, working capital improved, service levels stabilized. Complexity reduction isn't just about cost, it restores control. With a leaner portfolio, digital tools became more powerful. Cleaner data improves signal quality. AI forecasting becomes more reliable. Cross-functional planning aligns faster. A simplified portfolio enables better S&OP execution, improved supplier collaboration, reduced bullwhip effect. Complexity hides risk. Clarity exposes it and manages it. Simplification does not mean stagnation, it means focused growth. Henkel strengthened core brands, standardized processes, increased resilience. In a volatile world, agility comes from simplicity. When fewer SKUs drive more value, the supply chain regains its rhythm. Henkel didn't grow by adding more. It grew by removing what didn't matter. In an era obsessed with expansion, the real competitive advantage may be this: the discipline to simplify. Henkel's competitive edge comes from simplification. Subscribe to learn more about such supply chain legends.